So in this video, we're going to take a look at how OneNote, which is what I'm in at the moment, and Class Notebook are linked. So the way that I work is I have a class notebook for year 7, 8, 9, 10. I have an A-level and this should be my GCSE one, but I haven't renamed it. Then what I have is these are all of the class notebooks that are linked to my classes. So you do have to add all of those as well. But these are the ones, the templates are the ones that I use year upon year, and I just develop them as I go. So, for example, this is my year 8 template. Up here you can see these are all the different units that we do. I do have some old units. Sometimes I just change what I'm doing in a year and I just keep it there so that I know kind of what I can do. If I need to change, maybe I've got a shorter term or longer term. So these are like the chapters of a book, and then within the chapters you've got different pages. So what I do is for every lesson that I do, including their end of unit assessment, I create a page like this, and it has all of the instructions that they have. And here, like, I've got little tick boxes so they know that they can tick it to say they've done it. And here I've got like a picture. If they're stuck, they can increase the size of the pictures and it will help them. But rather than just, immediately giving them the answer, have it there. I always give them a unit overview as well, so they know exactly what, when I'm assessing their work at the end, they know exactly what they have to do to get in each band. Now, what I do when I actually want to then give the classes their lessons, so if I go in here and go to like one of my teams, so let's say I'm going to teach 7R tomorrow, and I want to add some work into their class notebook. So I'm going to go to their class notebook. Each of the children has their own class notebook. Now, they only see their own class notebook, whereas I see all of their class notebooks. So let's go to Alice's one here. So let's say I'm going to add something to her, what are we in Python? So let's add something into, wrong year group. Let's go into one of the year 8 teams. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a second copy of this in here. So I'm going to get the unit overview. I'm going to go up to class notebook. And this is where we can actually distribute all of the classes. So I now want students to have this page. So I'm going to say cross notebook distribution. So this is going to allow me to put this page into any notebook on any of my classes that I teach. So we're going to go to any of the, what group do I have? So 8D, so let's distribute this to 8D into Python. So these are all the different sections that I have. We're going to copy that, and what will happen is this is going to distribute. And if I go into any of the students' OneNotes, they will have a unit overview, and you just saw it appear there. Now, if I mistakenly put it in there, I can just go to class notebook, distribute page, delete page. Obviously, this is in the Python section. Unit overview, next, and I'm going to delete it. And that means that it's gone. But that is a link. So I definitely would recommend, if you're planning on using Class Notebook / OneNote, I would definitely set up templates and you just fix the template. Once you've distributed it to students, you can't actually change, if you change something here, it won't actually change theirs. You'd have to redistribute it again.